Here you can see the typical lecture. Here, that plot is done in NumPy. It's never done in SymPy. Another plot in NumPy. So the plots, the whole goal is to create a bunch of numbers and then look at a symbol. This graph right here becomes a symbol, and you talk about its nature overall. You don't talk about the individual numbers. So NumPy basically leads to these graphs. This is SymPy, explaining how this particular matrix works. Here you can see me doing it in both NumPy and SymPy. Here you can see NumPy and SymPy again. At this stage, SymPy is very fragile. SymPy is the dagger. And then we get into a big long plot, and this is all NumPy. And these are the Fourier IFFT and FFT. This is the winding up and the winding down. That's a concept associated with the Fourier transforms.